How to make a poster in Canva. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a poster in Canva really easily. So let's dive right in. Open up your Google Chrome and then head over to canva.com. Then go to the templates option in the left hand side. Now you can search for poster and then hit enter. Now you'll get various templates of posters. Now choose the one of your choice. Just tap on it and you need to tap on customize this template. Now you can edit this template according to your preference. So you can tap on the text and then you can change the font. You can change the font size. So you can change the colors. You can make it bold. You can underline it. You can put in various effects of your choice. And then you can go to elements and then put in stickers. You can browse through categories, put in photos, animations, videos, and more. So you can just drag it and keep it there. You can remove the ones that already here. So like this, you can work on your Canva poster. So there you go. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.